There are several ways you can make money on Instagram, depending on your interests, skills, and the size of your following. Here are some common methods. Sponsored posts. You can earn money by partnering with brands or businesses to promote their products or services on your Instagram account. The more followers and engagement you have, the more money you can command for sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services on behalf of other businesses through affiliate marketing programs. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Sell products or services. If you have your own products or services to sell, you can use Instagram to promote and sell them to your followers. This can include digital products, physical products, or services such as coaching or consulting. Brand partnerships. You can work with brands or businesses to create content or campaigns that align with your brand and values. This can include collaborations on social media, blog posts, or other marketing initiatives. Sponsored events or experiences. If you have a large and engaged following, you may be able to partner with brands or businesses to host sponsored events or experiences, such as meet and greets, workshops, or product launches. Instagram Stories ads. If you have a business or brand that you want to promote, you can use Instagram Stories ads to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website or landing page. These are just a few ways you can make money on Instagram. It's important to focus on building a strong and engaged following and to maintain a consistent and authentic brand presence on the platform.